This is the last module for the 4412s and 24s on the IP Office system. This is for custom options. In other phones, we have the option to change our ring pattern on the phone, but this phone does really not offer it. It's basically just the one stock ringtone. There are a couple of things you can do, however. Under Menu, you can press Timer, and that starts a timer in the background that goes continuously. For example, if you wanted to time a meeting, for example. It doesn't really necessarily time phone calls. That appears when you're talking to somebody. To turn off the timer, go back into Menu and press Timer again. One feature that people do find interesting is right now you can see that there's no indication of what time it is, time of day or whatever. Your phone has the label of Kim Williams at extension 203. Well, since you sit at your desk quite often, you'll probably say, I know who I am and what my extension is. I'd rather have the time and date on the screen. So let's hit Menu and scroll over, and you'll see TM day. That was the second push. Let's try it again. So Menu, okay, and then scroll once, scroll twice, time of day. Pressing that, and that's what you'll see on the screen, even if we exit. So that is going to be your new screen with the time and the date. If someone were to call in, the phone works as it usually does. And when you're talking to them, you'll see that you do have a timer that works with the phone call, how long you're on the phone call. Other than that, there aren't really many other features that can be had with the system, except that on some of the phones you have an extra bank of red lights and green lights on these last set of buttons, and that allows you to have even more people in your office with indicator lights to show you whether they're on or off the phone. And we've named them here because we have this phone typically set up for a receptionist with the extra labels, and then she would have the phone with the red and green lights, such as the red and green lights on the left side of the display. This concludes our custom options for the 4412 and 24, and also the end of the series for this phone system with these phones. Thanks, and we hope to see you on a different playlist on YouTube. Goodbye.